So now we're at the boiler end, we can see that central heating is on and domestic hot water says off. Now that can be a bit misleading because you think, oh, it means the hot water's not on. Where it says domestic hot water off, it just means that there's no flow, so no one's actually asking for water. So if we go to this utility tap and let's turn on the hot water, and then we'll go back and we'll see that it says domestic hot water on. Okay, and if we go back and switch that off, it now says domestic hot water off. You notice the screen's changed colours because something's being used, so it doesn't always stay alight. Anyway, if we go back now to what I was saying about domestic hot water timings, if we press that, and depending on where it lands, we will scroll down to schedule programming and press that button, and then we're going to go to domestic hot water schedule and press that button, and then we're going to go to intelligent and press that button. Okay, and then we can go back like that and back like that to take it back to the normal screen. That means it starts to learn your lifestyle. So it might be that you've got a lifestyle that's, you know, up in the morning at sort of 6 or 7, and you go to work and then you're not back until 5. So it learns to keep a bit of heat in the boiler ready for you to use. It might be that you're a shift worker and you don't get until 3 o'clock in the morning and you want to have a shower. It will start to learn that. So it takes usually sort of a week or two, and it will soon learn your routine. That won't mean to say you're without hot water, it will just take a little bit longer to come through at the tap. The other thing that is showing you on this screen is the system pressure. So that's the pressure that's within the boiler and the radiators. There's nothing to do with the pressure of the water coming out of the taps. And that wants to be somewhere around about 1 to 1.5 bar in pressure. On these boilers there is a filling point. It's a very difficult one to show you because it's actually got a door in the way, but there's a filling point inside, and it's that valve there and that valve there, and I've got another video on how to do that. On this boiler we've actually fitted, because it's a bit difficult to get to, we've fitted a top up point there. Now if you should ever need to top it up with this one, then we can open one valve and nothing will happen because it's 2 valves on one bit of pipe, and then we can open up this valve a little bit and let a little bit of water in, and then shut it back off again and shut it back off again, just to bring it to that 1 to 1.5 bar in pressure. But if you have to keep doing that, then there's a problem.